Good day, everyone. I'm Gia Vidarantina from BSCS Department. How do you analyze the global nature of multinational corporations? Multinational firms' global character is defined by their widespread activities across numerous nations, vast network, and capacity to influence local and global political, cultural, and economic environment due to their ability to bring innovation, investment, and growth possibilities across national boundaries. Multinational corporations are crucial force behind global economic in- integration. Examine the role of regional coalition in the global economic system. In order to successfully navigate the intricacies of the global economy, regional coalitions are essential. They give countries a way to express their shared interests in a world growing more interconnected, promote development, and give a platform for more coordinated economic strategies. What do you think about the role of the nation state concerning the changes in the world economic system? As a result of globalization, technological development, and the expanding power of regional and multinational organizations, the nation state's place in the shifting global economic system is changing. In the order to maintain its crucial role in determining economic policies and global governance, the nation-state must adjust to striking a balance between national sovereignty, international collaboration,